Alright, copy.
Laptop mystery after accident. You decide what really happened. We received word of a serious motor vehicle accident in our area. The scene was chaotic, and the driver, shaken and injured, wasn't able to gather his belongings. Among them, a very important laptop. Later, once the dust had settled, the laptop was nowhere to be found. It was soon assumed to have been stolen. But then, a twist. A witness had snapped some photos at the scene. And in one image, a woman is seen walking away with the missing laptop bag over her shoulder. Nojak posted the image on social media, asking the public to help identify the woman. Within hours, we had a name, phone number, and address in Davidson. We tried calling, no answer. We left a message asking her to contact us urgently. She called back and claimed she had taken the laptop for safekeeping and intended to return it. She said she would give it to her son, and we could collect it from him. Nojak went to Davidson, recovered the laptop, and handed it back to a very grateful owner. You decide. Does her story make sense?
I wonder what Sanzara doen as sy hoenders sien. Hello. Fine, thanks to yourself. I'm here to see is it Yanda? Sianda. Hey, not here. Oh, okay. That's good, yeah. Thank you. How's it?
Still here.
What everything? What all did your mother put in here?
Everything was inside here is still here.
Okay, but where in the... Right, what all is there? Yeah. Okay, and the wallets and the keys?
Wallets.
Yeah, the keys for the house and the keys for the house keys and motorcycle keys and credit cards. Where are they?
Don't know about that.
You don't know. I'm coming back to you now. Hello, boy. Don't worry. We're not going to fight. No, that's fine. Did your mom get this?
Yes. Oh.
But your mother, she was the one that was by the accident.
Yes. He was with that man. The owner of this bank. He was with her when he was injured. Then he helped her to call her wife. Then he took this. Then he said he will put it for safety.
Okay?
Yes.
I'm going to see you now. Just give me 1 second. Nee, sy het gesê sy gaan liewer nie hier wees nie. Maar sy het definitief nie toestemming gehad om dit te vat nie.
Ja.
Wim, ek het jou laptop. Alright, ek gaan vir jou pin stuur in Benoni baadjie. Aha.
Ja, daar moet jy sien jou.
Okay. Okay, yes. So jy gaan by Snake afklim links Hasie Park se kant toe. Did your mother speak to you now?
Yes, that you will come and fetch your bag.
No, I'm trying to phone your mother, but she's not answering. Where did she find it?
At the bushes there. At the side.
Okay. Dankie my boetie, né?
Sure, sure.
Alright. Thank you very much. Voordat hy sê sy het dit in die bosse gekry langs die pad, maar eers toe sê hulle het dit uit die kar uitgehaal en dit gevat. Nou sit skielik in die bosse.
Soos ek
Okay.
net weet, presies weet.
Ja,
Daar gaan met die ou sê, goed, dis die huisleutels alles.
nee, is net die laptop. Goeiemiddag.
Wat kan nog van dit?
Goed en self, dankie.
Lekker dankie man.
As hy.
So baie dankie hoor.
Alright.
Ek is bly ek het jou nommer.
Nommer.
So is dit.
Ja,
Jy is my
so,
nommer.
kom ons mees reg. Kom ons kyk gou wat is alles in. En is jy agtertoe?
Dis 'n beautiful hond.
Ja, sy's 'n narkotiese hond. Sy's 'n Dutch Shepherd. Bly jy daar binnekant? Sy's baie vriendelik. Ja. Sê hallo. Sy's baie vriendelik. Kom ek. Zara hier?
Dis die mooiste iets.
Ja, sy's 'n Hollandse herdershond. Cover net jou voor. Cover net jou vital spots. Ja, jy moet net jou vital spots cover vir haar. Cover jou. Alright, ek het dit net so gekry. Wat hulle sê is die vrou het gesien iemand gooi dit in die veld in.
Okay.
Toe loop sy soontoe. Goeiemiddag. Is Zara hier? Kom jy. Die vrou het gesien dat hulle gooi dit in die veld in. Want die eerste storie wat ek by haar gekry het, wat ek by haar kind kry, is nie dieselfde storie nie. Alright, so toe sê hy sy maat gesien hoe gooi hulle dit in die veld in. Toe gaan sy na die veld toe vat sy dit daar. Uit die veld uit. So haar naam is Zara.
Ja, okay, my dogter het nou gesien op Facebook, ja.
Wat? My post.
Ja.
Luister hierso, as ek 'n ding post, kan ek jou verseker dit gebeur baie vinnig.
En toe sien ek jou ding oor die sekuriteitsmaatskappy met die
Alright, kom ons kyk gou wat alles daar is.
Okay, ja, hy het vir my gesê hierdie is daarin, ja.
Okay. Daar's die laptop, daarso is nog 'n
Okay, daar is 100.
Alright, daarso is 'n power supply.
Okay, cool.
Daarso is wat oor daai ook al mag wees. Kom ons kyk. Ek het glad nie oopgemaak daar by hulle nie.
Nee, dit is die regte reg.
En daarso is jou
Bankie daar, dis my maatskappy.
alright.
Waar is hy terug in die waar is hy?
Nee, sy ding se gat skeer. Kiap.
Baie dankie. Ek waardeer dit
Ja, kom ek gaan vir een van my kaartjies gee. Kyk, vat dit. Ek gaan vir jou 'n skakel stuur.
Ja.
Dan het jy 'n smart TV.
Ja.
Alright, dan gaan sit jy vir die smart TV, dan gaan jy na YouTube toe.
Ja.
En dan gaan sit jy daai naam in YouTube, dan gaan jy na die icon toe, dan druk jy hom. En dan ek wil nie familierisie hê nie, dis al wat ek sê, nê? Want iemand gaan ophou om ander programme te kyk, want dit is meer live aksie reality.
Ja, ons het gesien daai ouens wat het gebeur met daai ouens wat jy gekry het daar by wat die kar gehad het met die wat in van Nelspruit afkom.
Oor die bike
Was hulle
ouens.
toe skuldig?
Nee, ek weet nie, daar's
Ja.
te veel van die goed.
Ja, jy het die ouens gevang met 'n kar en toe was dit met 'n moord en
O, nee, die ouens met die Mercedes.
ja.
Ja nee, dit was 'n polisieman wat kwaad was vir hulle. Dit is absoluut, dit is glad nie die waarheid nie, maar die polisieman is aangekla.
Dis
Maar dit is my primêre ding is tracking vir jou besigheidskarre, vir jou persoonlike karre, al daai goeders. Ja, sy weier om in 'n kennel te sit. Nee, sy weier om in 'n kennel te sit, nee jy. Nee, sy weier om in 'n kennel te sit. Sy sal onder geen omstandighede in 'n kennel sit nie. Dankie julle. Dis hier. Alright, ja, ek is jammer dat ons nou nie die ander mense se goed kon gekry het nie.
Introducing Southern Africa's leading and fastest growing security solution provider, using sophisticated ANPR technology, supported by an in-house development team Coupled with a growing national network of strategically placed cameras and a variety of partners across many different industries, Sniper continues to break the mold and set the benchmark in vehicle recovery, ultimately making our communities safer every day. Our process is as follows. Camera. All number plates that pass Sniper's cameras are recorded and cross-referenced with numerous national databases. All vehicles listed as suspicious or wanted create an immediate alert in real time with our 24-hour validation center. Lights. The alert comes through on our live feed and is validated by one of our dedicated dispatchers. A map showing the vehicle's estimated travel distance is generated. Our dispatcher leaves feedback on the Sniper system and contacts the necessary role players. Action. If a vehicle is confirmed as positive, a recovery is actioned. The nearest responder receives the information and moves to intercept the vehicle. The vehicle is stopped and the suspect apprehended. Join forces with us in combating crime today. Contact the Sniper team for more information